so privileged today to have amongst us a wonderful person, a youth icon, and I would like to introduce all of you to him shortly. His name is Himanshu Nagarkar, who is a practicing lawyer in the Bombay High Court, a corporate trainer who trains in Fortune 500 companies, and along with that, he is a army trainer as well, and he has brightened lakhs of youths and students with his deep insights of mind all across the country. So I would like to welcome Himanshu sir for this wonderful session and share his thoughts and give us some deep insights about our mind. Himanshu sir, all over to you.
Thank you so much, Omkar. In fact, it's such a nice thing that a lawyer is introducing a lawyer. Omkar himself has been a lawyer at the Bombay High Court. Yeah, thank you, Omkar, for introducing me, and I very cordially welcome you all for this session. Yes, since last 14 years, I have been giving a lot of my talks in a lot of premium institutes in India, like IITs, IIMs, XLRIs. Yes, I have been a trainer of Indian Army, but since last 1 week or so, I have been giving my talks to the computer. Yeah, and it has been such a good experience because you are so used to, since the last 14 years I've been used to getting reactions from the people. Yeah, and now suddenly I have to shift my reaction, and I expect, initially though when I started expecting a reaction from a computer, and it was very weird. But now I think it lasts 7 8 days. By giving many talks, I have gotten used to it. Yeah, so are we all ready for the today's talk? So see, on the virtual world, I can't hear yes or a no. Yeah, but I can definitely hear this. So this is like a yes for everyone. Yes, are we all ready for the talk? Yes. Yeah. Vivek Bhagwat ji, what about you? Yes. Yeah. Sejal, we are ready. Very good. Acha, I just request everyone to switch on the camera. Shweta Sharma ji, Anand Iyer ji, Ajinkya, Apurva, Shantanu, Kalyan, Shubhangi. Yes, thank you so much, Pratik. Yeah, everybody. Vidya Kabra ji. Yeah. So if everybody could just switch on the camera, it's a good interaction that can happen. Yeah, everybody. Yes, Gaurav Jangde. Well, by the way, Rishi, I don't know if you read my WhatsApp, but really nice beard. Huh? It's a very nice beard. I think that's a quarantine beard. All right. So should we begin, everyone? All ready? All set? Yes? Fantastic. So, Omkar was just telling, knowing about the mind's insights. Yeah. So, I would like to share with my own personal experience, to begin with my own personal thing. So, it's in last 14 years, I have been used to travel a lot. Yeah, I ensure that I keep traveling, I keep visiting the lot of premium institutes. I go there, I give my talks, I impart my trainings, and I do a lot of interesting things. But suddenly when the lockdown happened, forget about traveling in different cities and the states. I could not even travel from one building to the other. Yeah, and my mind got into some kind of a cocoon. You understand what cocoon is? Yeah, जो तितली अंदर रहती है ना एक शेल के अंदर, ऐसा मेरा मन हो गया. मैं बोला यार ये क्या हो रहा है. I was not able to understand what's happening in and around. बस सुबह उठो, I've been seeing my house walls, ये वो, and my mind was really here and there. Did this happen with anybody here? Yes. या किसी के साथ हुआ ऐसे ये? Yes, Seema Sharma says उनके साथ हुआ. Okay, anybody else? Yeah, Manisha also saying that हुआ. All right. Yes, Ajinkya is also saying, yeah, it happened with me. But then I decided, see, finally I have to accept it, right? Yeah, I don't have any other option. A 40 micron of a virus can stop the whole world. Who am I to complain against him? So I said, no, let me just accept it. Yeah. So I accepted it, and then I did a little bit of introspection. Now, before I tell you what introspection was, I would like to ask you, which language are you comfortable with? हाँ, यहाँ पे जो chat box है, यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं कौन सी भाषा आपको comfortable है. एक तो हिंदी या English. Yeah, don't write Kannada, Telugu. I can't speak that. कौन सी भाषा, if which language is much more preferable? Both. English. All right, chalo. So, so I will speak a little bit of English, and wherever required, I will put in a little bit of English. Yeah. Now, the very interesting thing that just happened. Yeah. I asked you a very simple question, and that simple question was whether you want Hindi or English. Now, do you realize that our mind, it took the most convenient option of deciding, and we wrote both. See, just see all the chats. It's so interesting. Yeah, a lot of chats say both, any or anything. That's exactly what the mind insight is. When we say insight of the mind, the first thing that comes up is having a clarity. Are you getting what I mean to say? See, that's what happened with this anxiety, right? अभी बहुत सारे लोग इस stress में है, anxiety में है. क्या है ये exactly? What is this anxiety? What is this stress? What is the anxiety? ये lockdown period खत्म होने के बाद पता नहीं मेरा job रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा. Yes or no? पता नहीं, मैं अभी हूँ बाहर सब्जी लेने गया, वापस आने के बाद पता नहीं मुझे कोरोना वायरस हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Do you realize this? Yes, it always keeps going on the back of the mind. हाथ धोने के वक्त भी देखते हैं, अरे कहीं हरा हरा तो नहीं है ना. हम लोग ने डिसाइड भी कर लिया है कि वायरस का कलर हरा है. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? सो दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ये जो स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी जो है ना, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. इनफैक्ट आई हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट आई हैव been joined by some NIT scholars who are doing PhD. Yes, anybody who here who's doing a doctorate, a PhD study, you can just raise your hand so that I can get you also into a conversation. And any PhD scholars over here, so that I'll be more careful what I'm saying. All right. So what is this anxiety? What is this fear? Basically, this anxiety, this stress is Suket ji is one of it. Very nice. Yeah, welcome Suket ji. So this anxiety, this stress is nothing but an emotion. Yes or no? Do you realize this? I have an emotion which is giving me stress, and that emotion is basically a fear. A fear whether I am going to have my job, whether my job is going to be intact, whatever it is, whether I'm going to do the same thing after the quarantine. That is fear. Do you realize this? Yes, no. Yes, yeah. Lakshman More, what do you think? Yes, yeah. We all agree to this. Ki stress or anxiety is nothing but some emotion that is there. Now, see, just hear me out very carefully. Do you realize that any emotion, जो भी आपके मन में emotion आता है, any emotion that you get in the mind has some effect on the body. जो भी मन में आपका जो भी भावनाएं आती है, शरीर के ऊपर उसका कुछ असर होता है. Yes, no? You realize this? Yeah. For example, let me give you an example. गुस्सा. कितने लोगों को अभी तक लाइफ में एटलीस्ट एक बार गुस्सा आया है? Yes, all right. Monica Narang, yes, you have been angry at least once?
Not at least once, many a
Okay,
time.
maybe many a times. All right, now I want to ask you a very interesting thing. When you get angry, what happens to your body?
Sometimes it starts shaking, or
Yes.
maybe I don't feel good for many a days after that, or then
Fantastic.
once I am okay, then I feel little guilty also about
Yes.
what I did.
So on the level of the body, when you get angry, you get, थोड़ा shaky हो जाता है, थोड़ा गर्म हो जाता है. Do you realize this? In anger,
Yeah.
your body heats up.
I
Yes?
mean, a lot of things are there. At that time, you
Lot of
even
things.
don't get what is happening with you.
Fantastic. But abhi ke liye, let us hold on with basically the body getting heated up. Good. Now I would like to ask somebody, what happens to your breath? When you get angry, what happens to your breath? Yes, Praveen ji, can you throw some light on this? Yes, Praveen ji. When you get angry, what happens to the breath?
Well, it goes up and down. Yeah, it goes up and down. I mean,
Fantastic. Yes, he's spot on. Whenever we get angry, what happens to the breath is our breath goes up and down. Do you realize this? We start breathing so heavy. Yeah. So every emotion in the mind has some corresponding effect on the body with the changes in the breath. डर लगा, आप कहीं से चल रहे हो और पीछे से किसी ने आके भौं कर दिया, अचानक से आपको एकदम से डरा दिया. Do you realize this? You breathe and you stop and your body stops. Yes or no? Yes. अच्छा, अगर guilty feeling है, हाँ, किसी कुछ तो किया और उसके वजह से थोड़ा सा गिल्टी फीलिंग है. डू यू रियलाइज व्हाट हैपेंस इन द गिल्टी फीलिंग? यहाँ पे अपनी सांसें अटक जाती है. यस, एंड योर बॉडी डजंट फील सो नाइस. ऑल राइट, रिवर्स भी ट्रू. खुशी है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये क्वारंटाइन के बाद मैं आप सभी के लिए एक मॉलडीव्स की ट्रिप स्पॉन्सर करता हूँ. यस, एंड आई पुट यू इन अ नाइस वाटर विला. You open the curtain and you see nice ocean in front of you and you feel happy. What happens to the body? Your body expands. Yes or no? And then you breathe. Yes, do you realize this happening? Yes. So every emotion in the mind changes the breath with the effect on the body. Yes. Abhi tell me one thing. If emotion can change the breath, do you realize breath can also change the emotion? Yes or no? Yes, it's basically a basic science. Yeah, if something can change, that reverse also could happen. If emotions can change the breath, breath can also change the emotion. Do you realize जब गुस्सा होते हैं तो बोलते हैं ना 1 से 10 तक काउंट करो. Count from 1 to 10. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yeah. Now, when we say that, what happens is that when we are angry, we count 1, 2, 3, and by the time we come to 10 we take 10 breaths in and out. Getting what I mean to say? Yeah. And this is exactly what the whole understanding of meditation and breathing techniques is. Yeah, very interesting research I was doing the other day. Yes, it was by a scientist. Yeah, research says that there are two things. Hear me out, especially the students and working professional. ये बहुत ही जरूरी research है. There are two things. One thing is called as EQ. EQ is the emotional quotient. And second is called as the IQ. IQ is the intelligent quotient. Yes, what is first thing? I can see your lip reading. What is the first thing? Shloka? Yes, it is EQ. What is EQ? EQ is emotional quotient. And second is? Yes, IQ. IQ is the intellect quotient. The research says that if you want to be successful in life, it is 65% emotional quotient as against only 35% intelligent quotient. What does it mean? If you want to become an engineer, you require intellectual quotient. But if you want to become the leader of engineers, you need emotional quotient. Are you getting what I mean to say? 65% of our entire success is dependent on EQ. Now, do you realize this? बचपन से लेके अभी तक हम ज्ञान बटोरने में लगे हुए हैं. We want to gain lot of information. But how much time do we really invest in increasing the EQ? Think about it. Are you getting what I mean to say? Now, when I say EQ, उसका basis क्या है? What is the whole basis of EQ? It is our own mind, अपना खुद का मन. Yes or no? Do you realize this? Yes, everyone. Vivek ji, Vivek Bhagwat ji, do you realize this? Yeah, it is your own mind. And in order to make the mind strong, the science says that there is one nerve inside the body, and that nerve is called as the vagus nerve. What is it called? What is it called? Yes, vagus nerve. The vagus nerve in the body, it makes the mind and the nervous system so strong that you are able to handle your mind and emotions in a better manner. And that is exactly what the whole foundation of Art of Living program is. What do we do in Art of Living program? In order to make the vagus nerve strong, through which mind and nervous system become strong, we offer two things. The first thing that we offer is something called as the breathing exercises, which is a world known technique which is called as the Sudarshan Kriya. And along with the breathing technique, we offer something called as a meditation. So if breathing technique is for the left brain, the meditation is for the right brain, and it gives the entire thing. Are you getting what I mean to say? And of course, when the vagus nerves become strong, your confidence increases. You can communicate much better. The planning becomes really good. You can multitask. In small period of time, you can achieve more. Your health improves. And there are so many benefits I can't even tell. Are you getting what I mean to say? So why have I come here for? कि मैं यहाँ पे आपके आगे 114 लोगों से बात क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि श्री श्री रविशंकर जी, हिज होलीनेस श्री श्री रविशंकर जी, जिन्होंने आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का फाउंडेशन किया है, उन्होंने लॉकडाउन के बाद बोला कि हम जो कोर्सेस बाहर ऑफर करते हैं, यही कोर्सेस इस पीरियड के दौरान सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. Yes, giving these courses at this particular lockdown time is extremely important. So what has he done? The courses which are offered outside for 2,500, for 3,200, he has reduced the price to totally 50%, and in 1,200 rupees he is offering these courses online. So you just sit at your home in a very comfortable place, and at your home we teach the Sudarshan Kriya. In last 7 days, you will be amazed. More than 10,000 people have undergone these online courses, and everyone whom I have met, I asked them how was their feedback, and they have all been very happy about it. Are you getting what I mean to say? So the reason why I've come here for is to offer you the Art of Living program. Yeah, of course the details will be given to you. You know, you all have registered with us, so you will get a call shortly after this particular session is over, and you will get a call and you will be given all the details. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yes, yeah. So it's something, you know, there is one buzzword in the quarantine, and the buzzword is learn something new. Yes, during this quarantine period कुछ तो नया सीखो. बाकी इतना भागदौड़ अपना होता है कि कुछ सीखने को हम लोग को इच्छा होती है, लेकिन हम सीखते ही नहीं है. लेकिन ये क्वारंटाइन पीरियड, इतना हम लोग के पास टाइम है. 4 दिन का कोर्स, 2 hours each, so 8 hours is what you have to invest. So इस क्वारंटाइन में ये जो बज वर्ड है, learn something new, definitely learn. If you want to learn something which will last you for the entire life, definitely learn meditation and the Sudarshan Kriya. Done, everyone? Yes? Yeah? Very good. So before we offer you, so since you have put efforts and joined this program, yes, we would like to give you a 5-10 minutes of short meditation. So before this meditation, do you have any questions? You can raise your hand. Yes, किसी को कुछ सवाल है तो आप हाथ उठा सकते हैं. Yeah, volunteers also just see if anybody is raising their hands, you can just unmute them. You know, questions ना होने के दो circumstances है. एक, सब कुछ समझ में आ गया है, दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं समझा. Yeah, so I hope that what I said, you know, lot of you have understood it. Done. Then should we do a? Manisha Agarwal ji has raised her hand. Yes, Manisha ji, tell me.
Yeah, what if my internet connection goes in between? So what would I do?
Yeah, so the Zoom app has been designed in such a way that on your mobile phone, through your mobile phones, you can definitely log into it. There is absolutely no problem. Right now, today, because of my some servicing of my Wi-Fi, I have been connected with my mobile phone, and it's good, right? There's no problem. Yeah. So there's a very simple thing. It's not such a big deal. And even worst case scenario, if something happens, our backend team will take care of it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Very good. So shall we move on to a crisp meditation, a nice short meditation? Yes. Yes. No. Everyone. Yes. Mayur Dadich. Can I? Very nice. Okay. Tanaji. Yes. Very good. Okay. I once again request to switch on your cameras. Yeah. Omkar can teach us. So Omkar will teach us one breathing. Yes, one breathing exercise, which is commonly known as Bhastrika. And after that, we will go through the meditation. Yeah, Omkar, over to you.
It was such a wonderful sharing, Himanshu sir, about the intellect quotient and the emotional quotient. That hit me also. And as a lawyer, I've been using my IQ a lot without focusing more on the EQ. But now, after you shared, I would definitely, give more importance to developing my EQ as well. Yeah. So let us, practice a very wonderful breathing technique. As Himanshu sir said, it's called the Bhastrika Pranayam. This pranayam is also known as the energizing pranayam. How we'll learn how to do it first and then experience it. So all you have to do is you have to bring your closed fists in front of your shoulders. The shoulders are relaxed. And when I say breathe in, you have to take your hands up and open your fists. Maybe I'll just shift my laptop a little so it looks like breathe in. When I breathe in, my hands go up and the fists open up. And when I say out, you have to bring your hands down and the fists close again. Everyone clear? Yes? Okay. So the count would go something like this. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Clear, everyone? Yes? Okay. So should we start? Okay, let us all get ready for Bhastrika. Loose fist in front of the shoulders. Have a nice smile on the face. Take a deep breath in. Let us close our eyes and breathe out. One more deep breath in and let go. Let's begin with the Bhastrika Pranayam. Breathe in, out, 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 and relax. You can place your hands on your laps, palms facing the ceiling. Let us keep our eyes closed and observe the sensations in the body. Let us get ready for the second round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Loose fist in front of the shoulders. Shoulders are relaxed and a gentle smile on the face. Take a transition deep breath in and let go. One more deep breath in and let go completely. Together, let's start the Bhastrika Pranayam. Breathe in, out, 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 and relax.
Just relax yourself. Vishram kare. Hands on your lap. अपने हाथ अपने गोदी में रखे. Palms open to the ceiling. Eyes closed. Pravinji, you can keep your hands on your lap. आंखें बंद. Eyes closed. अपनी आंखें बिल्कुल नहीं खोले. एक लंबी गहरी सांस ले. Breathe in और छोड़े. इस बार लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और छोड़े. Just relax yourself. विश्राम करें. जो भी हो रहा है शरीर में उसको होने दे. Whatever is happening in the body, just let it happen. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Incoming breath is energizing. Outgoing breath is relaxing the body. जो सांस अंदर जा रही है वो शरीर को ऊर्जा प्रदान कर रही है। और जो सांसें बाहर आ रही है वो शरीर को विश्राम। रिलैक्स द बॉडी टोटली। शरीर को पूर्ण विश्राम दे। इस क्षण हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है। और हम कुछ भी नहीं है। We are nothing. We do nothing. We want nothing. सांस ले और छोड़िए। अपना ध्यान वातावरण की ओर लेके जाए। Become aware of your surroundings. अपने वातावरण से जो भी आवाजें आ रही है उनके प्रति अपना ध्यान लेके जाए। Become aware of all the sounds in the surrounding. The sound of fan, the sound of traffic, the sound of machines. Whatever sounds are coming, become aware of each and every sound. जो भी आवाजें आ रही है उनको आने दे, उनके प्रति सजग हो जाए। Do not try to concentrate, just simply become aware. भी आवाज को रोके नहीं। Do not resist any sound. सांस ले और छोड़े। Our body is still and the mind is relaxed. शरीर स्थिर है और मन में विश्राम। सांस ले और छोड़े। एक और बार सांस अंदर और छोड़िए। अपने शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाए। बिकम अवेयर ऑफ योर बॉडी। दिस बॉडी is a nature's gift, so beautiful. अपना शरीर इस सृष्टि का एक तोहफा है, सुंदर। ऑनर एंड रिस्पेक्ट द बॉडी। अपने शरीर के प्रति सम्मान करें। सांस ले, ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट। छोड़े। Become aware of your right foot, right knee, and right thigh. Become aware of your left foot, left knee, and left thigh. Become aware of your genitals, Janendriya. अपने पेट के प्रति सजग हो जाए। छाती, right shoulder and right arm. Left shoulder and left arm. Become aware of your face, forehead, and the whole body, Sampurna Sharir. Relax more and more. Become aware of your thoughts and feelings. Breathe in and breathe out. जो भी भावनाएं हैं उसके प्रति सजग हो जाए। Become aware of all the thoughts. Good thoughts or bad thoughts. अच्छे या बुरे विचार। Become one with all the thoughts. जो भी विचार है उनसे एक हो जाए। Relax more and more. Again, become aware of your thoughts, if any. Become aware of your body. शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाए। सांस ले और छोड़े। एक और बार सांस ले और छोड़े। Become aware of your surroundings. वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाए। शरीर में थोड़ी हलचल लाए। Bring some light movements in the body. और धीरे धीरे अपना अपना समय लेते हुए आंखें खोल सकते हैं। Slowly and gradually, taking your own time, you may open your eyes. Very good. Good, everyone. Yeah, in the chat box, I would just like to know from you your experience. How maybe एक या दो शब्दों में your experience, if you can write, that will be great. How are you feeling after the meditation? Peaceful, wonderful, peaceful. Everybody will write. Yeah, settled. Apur Vijay says amazing, calm, refreshing, beautiful. Tejasri says calm, peaceful, fresh, energized, awesome, feeling relaxed, nice, awesome, calm and good. Very good. Yeah, very good. Connecting oneself, relaxed, mind is fresh. कितने लोगों को ऐसे लग रहा है कि मन fresh हो गया? How many of you feeling that your mind has comparatively become fresh? Yes. Yeah. Very good. हाँ? तो ये जो ध्यान हम लोग ने किया, अभी हम लोग ने बस 13 मिनट किया. We just meditated for 13 minutes. Yeah. The advanced level of this meditation is the Sudarshan Kriya. सुदर्शन क्रिया जो है ये इसका बहुत ही एडवांस्ड इसका वर्जन है. तो इससे क्या प्राप्त होते हैं? 3 चीजें. पहला तो ऑब्जर्वेशन. यस, हम लोग अच्छी तरह से चीजें जो है, हमारे वातावरण जो है अच्छी तरह से ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. फिर दूसरा होता है परसेप्शन. वो ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद अच्छा सा फॉर्मुलेट कर सकते हैं. यस, डॉक्टर पहले क्या करता है? पेशेंट को ऑब्जर्व करता है. ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद वो अपने दिमाग में फॉर्मुलेट करता है. परसेप्शन, परसीव करता है कि इसको अभी क्या दवाई दे, क्या ना करे. डॉक्टर, लॉयर, इंजीनियर, सीए, डीजे, शेफ सब यही करते हैं. ऑब्जर्व करके परसीव करते हैं. ऑब्जर्वेशन और परसेप्शन के बाद आता है एक्सप्रेशन. जो भी इंटेलेक्ट से उसका जो भी किया है वो अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्रेस करना. ये जो 3 चीजें हैं जो किसी भी आदमी को सक्सेसफुल बनाती है या स्त्री को जो सक्सेसफुल बनाती है, ये सुदर्शन क्रिया हमें देती है. सुदर्शन क्रिया गिव्स यू दिस. Are you getting this, everyone? Yes. So I would like to conclude my session by saying that कि good opportunities are never to be missed. हाँ, अच्छे जो मौके होते हैं उसको कभी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. सबसे जो बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी रहता है वो होता है ध्यान सीखने का. Learning meditation is the best opportunity that anybody can get. Yeah, because only an intellectual mind can learn meditation. Yeah, meditation जो है वो जो जिसके पास बुद्धि है वही सीख सकता है. Yeah, because you require that level of maturity for it. Yeah, so definitely use your intellect. Yeah, I would invite all of you in the course that is starting from the 24th. 24 तारीख से ये कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है. अभी ये सेशन के अगले 45 मिनट्स में आपको एक कॉल आ जाएगा जिसके ऊपर बाकी के जो डिटेल्स है वो आपको शेयर किए जाएंगे. हाँ, they will share with you all the details about the course. So definitely receive the call once you get for next 45 minutes. Huh? Sonia has also been writing here the details, and of course the link which cannot be clicked here will be sent to you. आपको ये जो लिंक है वो लिंक आपको definitely मिल जाएगी. Yeah, ठीक है. Everyone happy? Yes, no? Yeah, yeah, अच्छा. Ensure that you all stay safe. हाँ, इस क्वारंटाइन के दौरान सेफ रहना, अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाना. हाँ, ensure that you do a lot of Surya Namaskars and do a lot of meditation so that your immunity becomes very. Aditi says that she is very happy. Yeah, so your immunity becomes very strong so that you don't have to be afraid of anything. Yes, and just keep a blind faith that nature, if nature destroys something, it constructs something in much better way. Yeah, so it could be your job, profession, or student life, and some kind of destruction has happened. Don't worry, after everything is over, much better construction will happen. Done? Yes. Yeah. So thank you so much. Have a very good night, peaceful sleep. Thank you, Sejal, for saying that it was a great session. Yes, I also enjoyed a lot. Meditation, I hope enjoyed a lot. The IQ, EQ was good. And most important, the two factors of Sudarshan Kriya meditation, definitely inculcate that. Yeah. Thank you, Omkar. Thank you for inviting me.